Soft, chewy, and perfectly spiced vegan gluten-free cinnamon stars made only with clean, wholesome ingredients. This recipe is not only free from eggs, dairy, and gluten, but is also fully compatible with the antebellum lifestyle. So you can enjoy a classic Christmas treat that fits your healing journey. The original recipe: just almonds, eggs, and sugar. To lighten it up, we add gluten-free flour and oats right into the dough. No eggs needed, instead a simple mix of applesauce and coconut oil. Classic flavor, healthier, easy as that. We are using finely ground almonds, plenty of cinnamon, rolled oats, millet flour, coconut sugar, and baking powder. First, add all the dry ingredients to a large bowl and mix them well until everything is evenly combined. Then add applesauce, coconut oil, and lemon juice and stir everything together until you have a firm, smooth dough that holds together nicely. If you enjoy this video, it would mean a lot if you leave a like and a short comment. This really helps YouTube show the recipe to more people who might appreciate these healthy cinnamon stars as well. Once the cinnamon stars are baked and have cooled down, it's time to prepare the glaze. For this, mix fresh orange juice with coconut sugar that has been blended into a fine powdered sugar until you get a smooth, slightly thick glaze. If you prefer, you can also use any other type of sugar you like and turn it into powdered sugar for the glaze. The fastest technique to coat the cinnamon stars with glaze is the one shown in the video. Simply dip each cookie upside down into the glaze, let it sit for a very short moment, then flip it back up quickly and place it on a tray to dry. For more delicious, gluten-free, vegan and healthy recipes, click right here. See you in my next video.